We're installing a Claridge horizontal sliding unit. After you've decided the location of your board, the first step you'll do would be to determine the height you want it. We're going to set ours at 78 inches for the first line. Now, using a chalk line, we're going to pop as a horizontal line. And starting about 4 inches from the end, set your clip with the long leg on top of your chalk line. Placing your clips roughly 16 inches apart on center, and like I said, start 4 inches from the edge and ending up roughly 4 inches from the edge. Now what you'll need to do is make another horizontal line. You'll measure the height of your panel, and you're going to add 1/4 of an inch to determine this distance. 44 7/8 is what we're going. Now, when placing the clips on the bottom, the chalk line will set on top of the long leg. And as before, we're going to come in 4 inches from the end and then about 16 inches apart. On installing your back panel, we recommend that you use adhesive, using about a golf ball size glob of glue, about 1 foot apart all over the board. Now that we've maintained an 1/8 inch gap between our back panel and our clips, we're going to attach the jam trims on both sides. The next step in the installation is the assembly of the housing. The housing has been pre-assembled in the factory and numbered for ease in reassembly. When installing the rollers, install the rollers on the back with the opening facing the front. Then on the next roller, it faces the rear. Before installing the housing, one thing you want to make sure is that you have a reference point on where your clips are. That way, whenever you're putting your screws into your housing, you can hit your clips. We've already made those marks on the wall. Now that your housing's been set over your clips, pre-drill your holes and then use the provided fasteners to attach the housing to the clips. We've already pre-drilled our holes to start with. Now we're going to actually install the sliding panels themselves. For this procedure, what you want to do is raise the panel up, take the hanger all the way to the top, sliding it between the rollers, swinging it in and dropping it back down. Position your back roller over the hooks. Then you have to raise your panel Now we'll repeat with the second panel. Now with your sliding panels installed, what you'll want to do is lock these together. This is your roller that was installed earlier. This is the apron that was mounted on the sliding panels. After you've attached those, there's a locking screw or nut. When that nut's twisted all the way to the top, use the provided tool to secure that in place. And then once you have done this, your horizontal sliding unit is now ready to be used.
For additional information on these and other innovative products, please contact the leader in the industry, Claridge Products, at claridgeproducts.com.